Hi, Claudia here. Today we're gonna do this pouch, ephemera pouch. So I just saw a video from Natasha from Treasure Books, and I love everything she does. So here is very simple. There are some goodies there. And oops. So I hope you like it. This is for a special person, and I hope you'll like it too. Okay, so let's do it. For this, we're gonna need any amount of envelopes that you like. Sorry. In this case, I'm gonna use 6. So, and because I don't want to make the video too long, I just, some are already fixed, but I'm gonna tell you what I did. So, Natasha cut this one here, but because I'm scared the paper will be too flimsy, what I'm going to do, and what I did with the others, was I just put a little bit of glue around, and I put it back inside. That way I know this is a little bit sturdy. And so we're gonna need some double-sided tape, and all of the envelopes will just need a piece in front, just like this, as you can see here. The only one that has a full piece to make sure they really one will take a touch is the front and the back. Okay, so I took 6 envelopes. I put the flap inside with a little bit of glue, and now we're gonna attach the envelopes together. But I want to give some color to the border, and I think I'm going to use this one, Vintage Photo, and I'm just going to go on top, one side and the other side, the same here, on top, one side and the other side. Side, the top, side. The envelopes can be any sizes, the size that you like it. As you can see, this one was a letter size, and so this one was, let me see, I don't have a rule, but this one was 8. So this one is the 9 by 4.5 envelopes. Okay, and this one are 5 by 6 3/4. So we can make any size. You can use any envelope that you have. You can use even the junk mail. But because I'm picky, I don't like to see the inside of the junk envelopes, that they are blue or stuff like that. And I have the extra, so I'm using these ones. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Let me put all together again. This is the first one. I don't know if you can see it. There is double side here and here, but the next one is only on top, on top, on top, and the last one is on top. Look what I did. Oh, but the last one has in the back too. Okay, and so now we're gonna attach one to the other. So I like to go this way because I know three. I should take my big tool, but 4, 5, and 6. Okay, to make the cover, I like this paper, and this is from Graphic 45, and the name of the paper, the collection is Once Upon Springtime, the classic collection, and this is the Flight of Fancy, the page. And so we don't need to score, we don't need to do anything. This one is 12 by almost 7. It's very little. So let's and because it's the one they're gonna be attached, I like to put some glue on top of my score tape just in case. And so we're gonna do, let's put it here, let's try to attach as straight as can be. Remember, this is handmade, so handmade has no mistake. Whatever goes wrong is just a unique touch, okay? Something very special. No one else is gonna make the same mistake, so don't worry about it. And now we're gonna fold. Ooh, I forgot to do the closure. Okay, we're gonna do it anyway. And here is the 6 pouches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And so now we're gonna fold this as straight as we can. And oops, sorry,